Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about how to play Vita Mahjong board game, the classic tile matching app or playing game in an app form. First, open the app and select the board you want to play on. There are different game modes, but in this latest version or in this new version of Vita Mahjong, you will only see the label icon. This is the latest version of Vita Mahjong, so it will not be as same as before. Now you will see a layout filled with stack tiles if you tap on the label app or icon. Know the rules. Your goal is to match pairs of identical tiles. Only the tiles that are free, not covered, and at least one side open can be paired. As you can see in here, at least one side should be open, and you will find different tiles like that all over the map. Simply choose the ones that are on top like this. Start matching the tiles and use hints or shuffle if you get stuck somewhere, but try to rely on strategy first before using the hints or the shuffle icon on the bottom of the screen right here. These two are the hints and shuffle icon. Plan ahead, look for matches that unlock the most tiles to avoid getting blocked, and keep practicing. And each board has different patterns, so the more you play the better you get. And that's it. Follow these steps and you will be able to enjoy the Vita Mahjong board game like a pro. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and comment below your favorite board layout. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.